All right, today we are going to be working on multiplying by sevens using our helper facts. So today we're going to start off with 6 times 7. So 6 is not a very friendly number. A number that would be more friendly would be 5. So if I take 5 away from 6, I'll have one more left. Okay? So if I do 5 times 7, if I'm not sure what that is, I could count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 25, 30, 35. So I know that 5 times 7 is 35. But I still have one group left over. So now I need to do 1 times 7. Well, I know 1 times 7 is 7. So now I have two answers. I have 35 and I have 7. So what I need to do is take 35 and add my 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So I know that 6 times 7 is 42. Let's try another one. Let's say we have 8 times 7. Okay. So what I'm going to do is figure out what would be a good helper fact for 8, since 8 is not very friendly. Okay. So let's just try and use 5s again. So if I have 8 and I want to take 5 away, I'm going to have 3 left over. Okay. So I'm going to start with 5 times 7. Well, we just saw 5 times 7 right up here. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay. But I still have 3 groups left over. So I'm going to do 3 times 7. Well, I know 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So 7 times 3 is 21. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I know that 8 times 7 is 56. Let's try one more together. Let's do 9 times 7. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 9 and I'm going to make that a little bit friendlier. I'm going to do 5. Well, 5 plus what equals 9? 5 plus 3 equals 8. So I know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. So I'm going to have two multiplication problems. 5 times 7 and 4 times 7. 5 times 7 we know is 35. 4 times 7, well, I know 2 times 7 is 14. So 14 plus 14 is 28. So now I need to add up my two numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. So I know that 9 times 7 is 63. Now, there is something else that I could do instead. I could have, instead of doing 5 and 4, I could have done 10. 10 is also a helper fact. So I'm going to show you one more way that I could solve 9 times 7. Okay, so how about instead of doing 9, I turn that 9 into a 10. And I'm going to do 10 times 7. So instead of 9 groups, I'm going to have 10. I know that 10 times 7 is 70. Okay, that's a quick fact. Now, I have one extra group in here. So what I need to do is I need to take away one group of 7. So to take away one group of 7, I need to subtract 7. So I cannot do 0 minus 7. So I'm going to cross that out, turn that into a 6. That 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 7 becomes 3. 6 minus nothing is 3. I still end up getting the same number. Okay? So these helper facts are very, very, very important to know because they make us learn our multiplication facts very, very quickly. Okay?